Here are causes of bad wheel alignment and how they happen. These are common problems vehicles face on the road, and they can happen anytime to any car or any driver, so you need to watch this video carefully. Most drivers complain, I had those tires replaced brand new only 4 months ago, and they are now worn out so fast on the edge. Example, this tire I'm showing you here, one side still has very good tread, but the other side edge is completely worn out. Sometimes you may think the tire shop sold you wrong tires for your vehicle. I have also seen other drivers complain about the car pulling to one side. Every single minute you have to hold your steering wheel properly, otherwise you can hit another car. And on other hand, some people complain about your steering wheel shakes very bad, which sometimes not the wheel balancing issue. This is going to be our actual topic today. You need to pay attention until the end so that you can avoid spending money all the time buying tires. It's also important to know so that when these causes happen to your car, at least you already know exactly what the problem is and how to resolve it. This is wheel alignment problem, means your vehicle's wheels are misaligned, they are in incorrect position. But what is actually causing all these problems? Most drivers have no idea what's actually knocking their wheels out of alignment. But today, I will show you exactly what's happening under your car and making you keep on complaining and spending money all the time. These are main causes of bad wheel alignment, the actual reasons your alignment keeping going off. You will see the causes of this misalignment, how to prevent them and how to resolve when it happens. Just to remind you that we are TireSho, a channel that brings you expert tire advice and road safety guides designed to keep you in control every mile. Smart drivers don't just drive, they save money, stay safer, and know more than anyone else on the road. So let's go. Cause number 1. Potholes and road impacts. Hitting a pothole, curb or speed bump too hard knocks your suspension components slightly out of position, enough to throw your alignment off by degrees. Cause number 2, worn suspension parts. Ball joints, control arms, tie rods, and bushings wear out over time. When they loosen or shift, your wheels can't stay properly aligned. Number 3, accidents or hard hits. Even a small fender bender or hitting a deep rut can bend a control arm or strut. Once that happens, alignment angles like camber, caster, and toe go off. Cause number 4, uneven tire pressure. Running with underinflated or overinflated tires changes how your car sits and distributes weight, which can gradually affect alignment angles. Cause number 5, lifting or lowering your car. When you modify your suspension height without adjusting alignment specs, it changes the geometry, causing uneven tire wear and steering pull. Finally, cause number 6, normal wear over time. Even with no damage, alignment naturally drifts after months of driving, especially on rough roads or with heavy loads. So here's the secret: if your tires are wearing out so quick on the edge, your car pulls slightly to one side, or your steering wheel shakes bad, my friend, don't wait. Get your alignment checked before it costs you thousands. The smartest move is to stay alert to early signs, such as pulling, uneven tire wear, or a crooked steering wheel, and get it checked as soon as you notice anything. Regular alignment checks every 6 to 12 months. Careful driving on rough roads and keeping suspension parts in good shape will save you money on tires and keep your car driving straight and safe. Now you need to go to this channel where you will find more videos like how to prevent misalignment and save big money. You will also find a video for symptoms of bad wheel alignment and many more tips. If you love learning car secrets that save you time and money, stay connected to this channel. We make you drive smartly, safely, your tires last longer and your wallet happier. We post new video every week and you can't afford to miss them. I'm happy that today at least you know something. Have a very lovely day.